So let's start off this whole introduction by talking about price. There's no point showing you something and then you're saying, well, how much does it cost? And then not being bothered. You might as well learn the price, decide what you want, and leave at this point if that's no good to you. So if you pay yearly, there's a standard edition at $22.50 a month per user, or $45 or $67. You can see the different versions. There's obviously different tiers, turning things on as you pay more money. So if you paid monthly, Enterprise is $75 a month, and then stepping down, obviously, a quarter every time it steps down. So what I want to introduce you to at this point, though, is something called Zoho ONE. So Zoho have a fleet of 40 apps. So there's a CRM, there's Zoho Book, Zoho Inventory, Zoho Recruit. And if you're a recruiting agency or a HR company, there's something called Zoho People as well, where you can manage the people inside your organization. You know, the sick time, the vacation, the holiday days, stuff like that, which is vacation, Paul. Right, so what Zoho ONE is all of the apps for $90 a month for one user. So one user monthly is $90 a month, right? But 5 users is $35 a month. So you can have your team at $35 a month will get all of Zoho ONE's apps. So this is 40 plus apps. If I go here, look, sales and marketing, you know, a ticketing desk, analytics, forms, campaigns. You can post on your social media. Again, help desk. You can remote access people. In finance, you do your accounting, your inventory, your expenses, which is good for the HR stuff. You can have email. You can have project management. The CRM is obviously massive. Then here's the people and culture. You can have your own little Facebook forum, internet site, Recruit and People is what we're using, and all sorts of stuff. So what I'm saying is, if you're looking at Zoho Recruit for every app on Zoho ONE is enterprise level. Look here, enterprise level features, 40 plus apps, enterprise level features, right? So if we go back, this is $75 a month for enterprise level per user. So even if you're just going to use Zoho Recruit, you might as well sign up on Zoho ONE, right? Z1trial.com is my link to sign up for Zoho ONE. But you can talk to me more about it. You can ask me questions, and I'll come back to Zoho ONE at the end of this video, because I offer a lot on top of just signing up via my link.